When I was in aesthetic school, we were learning laser. I laid on the bed, I was actually the model, and it felt like any laser would, but I was just like, it's not cooling down, it's not cooling down. I kind of started to panic a little bit. And so she kind of unfolded the towel and she was just like in shock. I ended up going to the hospital. I got third-degree burns. It was hard. I've always been like a very confident, open, bubbly person, and it broke me down. My nephew called him tiger stripes, and sorry. It was hard. It was really hard to hear a 3-year-old say that, because what is everybody else thinking? So when it first happened, there were no real shades that matched. So I would mix different shades to try and find my perfect foundation color, and it just made it difficult in that time to be who I truly am. Now I am the stage experience lead at Sephora. I love being able to share my story with people too, because now I'm in a place where I just have embraced all my differences. A lot of the times I felt guilty about my darker complexion, the curves. I would run a flat iron over my hair thousands of times, but you shouldn't. I love the body that I'm in, I love my skin that I'm in, and I love my crazy hair. Embrace it.